begonia, somebody pressed a button on the show selected. You know what that means? Now when you press that little button now, well, the music goes down and right, and the show comes right out here. That's right, after you press that little button now, why then you can go sit down, and the show's gonna come out here. That's right, baby. I wouldn't lie to you. I'm telling the truth. All right, folks, we'll be right back with the song that you selected.
Some other folks along, like a movie star and a captain, brave and sure, maybe a millionaire and his wife. And let's say the crew wasn't too smart, and the next thing you know, we're shipwrecked.
Well, sit right back and hear a tale of faithful trip. But I have no tales to tell today, 'cause I am really sick.
The mate was a mighty sailor man, skipper brave and sure. 5 passengers set sail that day for 3-hour tour.
A what? A 3-hour tour.
The weather started getting rough. The tiny ship was tossed.
Like salad.
Not for the courage of the fearless crew.
The minnow would be lost. Like salad. The minnow would be lost. The ship set down the shore of this uncharted desert isle with Gilligan, the skipper too. Oh yeah, the millionaire and his wife,
The movie star.
the professor and all the rest here on Gilligan's Isle.
Well, folks, the way we thought of today's show is pretty simple. We went down and tried to drag Fats out of bed, said, get on up. Fats, what you in bed for anyway?
I'm sick.
And he'd been watching Gilligan's Island for 48 hours, and he didn't even change the channel once. And you know how come he didn't change the channel?
I told you, I'm sick.
So that's when I got the idea for this here show. I said, let's do a show about us taking a boat ride and getting shipwrecked and going out on the waves and up and down, and how would that make you feel?
Seasick.
But after hearing the same song for 48 hours, there was only one song we could do. And kind of goes like this. So, this is the tale of our castaways. They're here for a long, long time. They'll have to make the best of things. It's an uphill climb. The first mate and his skipper too will do their very best to make the others comfortable. No phone, no motor car, not a single luxury.
Oh no,
Like Robinson Crusoe.
sickly as can be.
So join us here each week, my friends. You're sure to get a smile with 7 stranded castaways here on Gilligan's Isle.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we back. And continuing with our tradition to give you at least one nice show for every half dozen stupid ones that we do. We'd like to present Mitzi with a real nice song by Amy Grant.
You're the kind, when you love with all your might. And you're the kind I would dream about at night. Now I'm the lucky one.
Oh, ain't that nice?
Baby, I'm the lucky one. You're the kind that I wanna be within the dark. And you're the kind who is capturing my heart. Now I'm the lucky one. Baby, I'm the lucky one. And I have never been the one to fall in love so soon. But I
Okay, folks, I'm going to bring old Duke out here to help me with this next song.
And me too.
Some people call it a kiddie song, but I think it's one that all people can enjoy for all time.
Yeah.
It's my favorite song.
It's the one you sing when you're riding the car. A long way. Sing it
Birds.
over and over.
Birds love this song.
I've been working on the railroad
I love this song.
all the livelong day.
I love this song.
I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning.
I love this song.
Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Sing along. Yeah. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen with I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone on the old banjo. So I'm singing 3-5, hooey-I-O, 3-5, hooey-I-O, 3-5, hooey-I-O. Someone on the old banjo. Someone on the old banjo. And I'm working for railroad.
Slow down, Billy Bob. Slow down.
Long day. I've been working on the railroad to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Oh, Dinah, blow your horn.
I'm out of breath.
It's a hard song. Everybody heard that?
I love this song.
Who's that I see walking these woods? Why, it's Little Red Riding Hood. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood. You sure are looking good. You're everything that a big bad wolf could want. Oh, listen to me. Little Red Riding Hood. I don't think little big girls should go walking through these spooky old woods alone.
What big eyes you have! They sure to lure someone back. So just to see that you don't get chased, I think I ought to walk with you for a ways. What full lips you have! They sure to hook someone back. So until you get to Grandma's place, I think you ought to walk with me and be safe.
I'm gonna keep my sheep suit on until I'm sure that you've been shown that I can be trusted walking with you alone. Little Red Riding Hood, I like to hold you if I could, but you might think I'm a big bad wolf, so I won't.
What a big heart I have. No better to love you with. Little Red Riding Hood. Even bad wolves can be good. I'll try to be satisfied just to walk close by your side. Maybe you'll see things my way before we get to Grandma's place.
Little Red Riding Hood, you sure are looking good. You're everything that a big bad wolf could want. Oh.
'cause they hurt a little bit. Here they come, pouring out of the blue. Little arrows for me and for you. You're falling in love again, falling in love again. Little arrows in your clothing, little arrows in your hair. When you're in love, you'll find those little arrows everywhere. Little arrows that will hit you once and hit you once again. Little arrows that hit everybody every now and then. Oh, love pain. Well, some folks run, others hide, but there ain't nothing they can do. And some folks put on armor, but the arrows go straight through. So you see, there's no escape, so why not face it and admit that you love those little arrows when they hurt a little bit. Here they come, pouring out of the blue. Little arrows for me and for you. You're falling in love again, falling in love again. Little arrows in your clothing, little arrows in your hair. When you're in love, you'll find those little arrows everywhere. Little arrows that will hit you once and hit you once again. Little arrows that hit everybody every now and then. Here they come, pouring out of the blue. Little arrows for me and for you. You're falling in love again, falling in love again. Little arrows in your clothing, little arrows in your hair. When you're in love, you'll find those little arrows everywhere. Little arrows that will hit you once and hit you once again. Little arrows that hit everybody every now and then. Little arrows in your clothing, little arrows in your hair. When you're in love, you'll find those little arrows everywhere. Little arrows that will hit you once and hit you once again. Little arrows that hit everybody every now and then. Little arrows in your clothing, little arrows in your hair. When you're in love, you'll find those little arrows everywhere.
Hey, Looney Bird, what's up next on our show list here?
If it's information you want, it's information you'll get. Beach Bear is gonna sing I'll Be There For You.
Great! Hey, here he comes now. Hey, Beach Bear, what's going on, buddy? Yeah? Yeah,
We're Springsteen doing that.
yeah, sure do.
Courtney Cox, you brings all those things. Right. Get a TV show now. No one told you life was gonna be this way. Jobs are joking from and love lies the away. It's like you're only stuck in second gear. Well, it hasn't been your day to make your fun. We're not here, but I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. When we've been there before, I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. But your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother's walking and these days like these. If she didn't tell you that the world is wrong, you tell me your knees. I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. I've been there before. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
I feel good, like I knew that I should. I feel good, like I know I should. Oh, so good, so good. I got you. I feel nice.
Yeah.
Little old spice. I smell nice. Just a little old spice. Something that I feel. So nice. So nice. I got you. In my arms. And boy, I'll never do you no wrong. When I hold you in my arms, you can't do me no harm. I feel good, like I know I should. I feel good, like I know I should. So good, so good, I got you. Can't do me no harm. I feel good, like I know I should. I feel nice, like a sugar spice. So good, so good, I got you. So good, so good, I got you. So good, so good, I got you. Too nice to kiss yourself.
Howdy, everybody, and welcome to our celebration of childhood. And we're doing songs like we used to do when we were kids, and we're talking about the dances we used to do in groups. And Mitzi, do you remember doing that?
I used to love doing those dances.
Yeah?
Hey, do you guys remember the cakewalk? And the square dancing?
Yeah.
And the hokey pokey. Oh, that was so much fun. Oh, I loved it.
Yeah, me
Like
too.
when the rest of the class was out there sticking their arms in and out, I was standing there folding my arms.
Why'd you do that?
Well, I was copping a stance. I was looking cool.
Well, Beach Bill, what you don't understand is it's cool for guys to dance.
Yeah.
Like in that real popular movie, what's the star name? Swayze. John Cameron Swayze. That's his new thing. He's cool, and besides, he's in great shape, I'd say.
Yeah, dancing is really good exercise. Did you know that 15% of all children are 40 to 50% overweight? 35% of the time, the latest statistic?
Don't say. Wow.
Wow, statistics.
I was fat 100% of the time. I had a 60-inch waist when I was 8.
Well, fast. How did you get so fat so fast?
I guess it kind of snacked up on me.
Shake it all around.
You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about.
Left elbow.
Your left elbow out. Shake it all around. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about.
Hold yourself now.
Put your whole self in, you put your whole self out. You put your whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. You're